Hello students, my name is Pawan Nitish. I am your Abhyas IIT Prep Coordinator, and today I am going to discuss with you about JEE Mains detailed analysis for the September, that is phase 2. Okay, I will discuss with you shift 1 and shift 2. I will discuss with you how much score you have to get in order to get 98 percentile, and also I will discuss with you what questions are there from which chapter and all those things. Okay, so first, band score. Okay, in order to get 98 percentile, what we have observed is total good score should be 186. Okay, and then in physics we have collected like 21 questions, and for that thing, in order to get that 98 percentile, you have to at least score 58 marks in physics. Okay, and in chemistry for 25 questions you have to get at least 67 questions. Okay, all the difficulty level, as far as we see, the average came in between medium. Okay, in between medium, exactly between medium we got the difficulty level. And for max, out of 20 questions collected, good score was like 62. So overall, if you add all the good scores, you will get total good score as 186. Okay, so if you are getting 186 above, the chances are that you will be getting above 98 percentile. Okay, and next, coming to detailed sectional analysis of physics shift 1. On the first day, IPE first year, 48 percentage, and IPE second year 52 percentage. And in that mechanics 1 we have got 4 questions. Okay, in mechanics we got 4 questions, and in that 4 questions are mainly from the topics Newton's laws of motion, friction and elasticity. While all these questions were collected, students also said that they are of medium level. Okay, and then mechanics 2, in mechanics 2 5 questions were there, and these 5 questions were of mixed level difficulty. Okay, and these 5 questions are covered from topics of center of mass, rotational motion and gravitation. Okay, though they were formula based, like if you directly substitute the formula, but the calculation is like lengthy. And then thermal physics, we are getting only one question, and that too very easy question. And from waves and optics, what I have seen was like in waves and optics, generally the concepts were of mixed, but we have directly formula based questions, and it is comparatively a few time consuming questions were there. Next, coming to the most difficult chapter, I can say electromagnetism. Why I said difficult means generally it would be of high weightage, time consuming also for the students. So as expected, electromagnetism we got 6 questions, and these 6 questions are covered from the module where the highest coverage was there, like magnetic flux, electromagnetic induction, circuit diagram and all those things. Next, nuclear physics 1. In nuclear physics, 1 question was there, and that too was from expected model and direct formula based question. Next, in chemistry we got first year questions 13 and second year questions 12, 52% and 48%. And in physical chemistry, number of questions were 6 as expected, but physical chemistry, I can say 2 questions were like more in number. And then in that module, the questions were like as expected, physical chemistry would be calculating, and those are from the basic topics, important topics, atomic structure, thermodynamics. Okay, next, inorganic chemistry, number of questions were 4, and questions were on expected lines. If you read NCERT book thoroughly, you can attempt all those 4 questions, and those 4 questions are like cakewalk, they are very easy. Next, organic chemistry 1 questions were very easy again, and some questions are based on IUPAC names. Okay, next, physical chemistry, number of questions were 4. Out of those, electrochemistry and surface chemistry were expected. Okay, and those questions were already discussed, and our Abhyas IIT people, generally students will know very well about these questions because all those models were already discussed in the class. Inorganic chemistry, we got 3 questions as compared, like inorganic chemistry 1, inorganic chemistry 2 also have very easy questions, and they are from NCERT directly. Organic chemistry 2, Okay, this time higher focus is on second year organic also, and the second year organic chemistry questions are actually time consuming. Okay, two of them were like I think experimental questions, but those are like medium difficulty. Rest three are like time consuming questions, but you can overall attempt 3 to 4 questions perfectly. Next, mathematics. In mathematics shift 1, trigonometry and algebra. I think trigonometry and algebra, everyone will do all the questions correctly because they were such easy questions. Next, geometry 1. Geometry 1, 2 questions are from planes, and with medium formula substitution or the direct formulas or the theorems, you can directly answer those. And they were like easy to medium difficulty. Next, calculus 1. Calculus 1, number of questions were 2, and those questions, one is from maximum minima and one is from directly limits applying rules. Okay, next, algebra 2. Algebra 2, we got 4 questions, and in this algebra 2, 4 questions are mostly from PNC, probability, complex numbers and quadratic. All of them were very medium level, but I can say that sometimes probability and permutations and combinations, for some students it may be difficult in the exam time, but trust me, those are very easy questions this time. Geometry 2. Geometry 2, what I have seen was like circles question was very easy, and the questions from conics are lengthy. I think in algebra 2 and geometry 2, students can at least attempt 3 questions from algebra 2 and 2 questions from geometry 2 easily. Next, calculus 2. Calculus 2, only 2 questions were asked, one from definite integrals on mod function and then one is from areas. Both of them like a little bit tough. I can't say it is very difficult, but they are moderate level. Next, functional algebra. Functional algebra questions are from mathematical reasoning. Okay, and in this mathematical reasoning, it is directly of the concept, very easy level. And then he have already asked about series. Okay, series question maybe some people might find it difficult, and progressions are very easy. Progressions questions were like everyone will do those 2 questions. Next, shift 2, band score. Okay, in shift 1 you got 186 as the total good score, but in shift 2 band score is 175 for 98 percentile. Comparatively, shift 2 was like very like I can't say very difficult, but comparatively it is difficult with respect to shift 1, but both of them lies in the category medium difficulty level. And in this paper, physics, 21 questions, we need a good score of 25. And chemistry, we got collected like 24 questions, and this 24 questions good score is 66. And for max was relatively tough when compared to physics and chemistry, and for 20 questions we got good score as 54. Okay, this difficulty level is generally assessed by us based upon toughness of the questions and expected pattern, how much that question got deviated. So this analysis is also based on memory of students. Okay, and then if we are getting any other updates, we will update it. Okay, and coming to shift to physics. Okay, shift to physics, IPE first year I got 10 questions out of 21 questions from first year, and then IPE 2 I got 11 questions out of 21 questions. Obviously in second year will have more weightage when compared to first year. Mechanics, again 4 questions were there, 4 questions same like the shift 1, Newton's laws of motion, expected models, medium level. Next, mechanics 2, this time gravitation, he has asked about the general comparison between two of the individual units, and then also rotational motion relatively was very easy compared to gravitation. Next, thermal physics again same like the shift 1, this time also 1 question, very easy, no higher at all. Okay, no higher level at all. Next, in wave and optics, this time in optics he has asked such a simple question, it is like directly from NCERT textbook, image formation of some mirror. Okay, image formation of the mirror, and how it is diminished or virtual or all those things he asked about the optics. And waves directly is about the formula based question, frequency and all those things. Okay, next, electromagnetism, again same highest weightage chapter, comparatively very difficult chapter, and then time consuming chapter. The questions were mainly upon magnetic moment and flux. Next, nuclear physics again question was like from atomic structure, models were there, so those models question came. Next, chemistry. In chemistry, we have physical chemistry 6 questions and organic chemistry 2 7 questions. Half of the paper was done from only 2 modules. Okay, so physical chemistry 1, again atomic structure, thermodynamics, and this time states of matter were very important in this one. And then inorganic chemistry 1, 4 questions were there, all from NCERT, no surprises are there. Inorganic chemistry 3, this time he has given again from NCERT. P block and metallurgy were some. Metallurgy, I didn't expect that he will give the question directly from NCERT. And then coordination compounds. Next, organic chemistry 1, the number of questions were like very low when generally with expected value. And physical 2, the questions came from electrochemistry and surface chemistry. They were also not surprising at all. Next, maths. Maths, I got 3 questions from trigonometry, and those were like familiar models from matrices. Also matrices he asked like determinant or something, which was very easy. And then in this geometry one, no planes was there, only we got vector algebra, that too which is very medium. And then calculus, again this time instead of limits he asked about differentiation, and one maximum minimum question was there. Next, algebra 2, as I said earlier also, permutations and combinations might be seen to be difficult for some students, but easily he can attempt binomial and complex numbers. Okay. Next, geometry 2, conics were very easy, direct formula, but only calculation was there, some part of calculation, at least one question you will do very easily. Next, functional algebra, this time he asked 2 progressions questions, 1 reasoning and 1 series. Series 1 was a little bit difficult when compared to other 2 reasoning and progression, so I can say you can easily attempt 3 questions. So coming to the end, actually this analysis was based mainly upon the memory of the students. Our students, and I expect our students will do well in these exams, because all the models were like expected, and the good score was also like 175 to 185 for the first day. And also the models which we have covered, practiced in our Abhyas IIT test series and all those things were completely like, we got majority of the questions in the same model from those test series. If you are really interested to purchase those test series, you can contact our website iitprep.in or gyanvili.in, and if any queries on all those things, we have a Facebook contact page and also contacts. You can directly reach there and address your query. And also we have a residential campus in Pragati Nagar, Kukatpalli. So by the end of the thing, I want to conclude one thing. If you have any doubts or any regarding related issues, you can directly reach me on Telegram app. I have given the link at the bottom, Telegram app, so you can contact me there. Thank you one and all. Signing off.